Welcome to the segment of beautiful foods. You guys want to see how it tastes? Chicken and waffles, but a red velvet waffle. Let's see how good this is. Guarantee you haven't tried this unless you made it yourself and experimented. I'm struggling. The struggle is real. Let's try this. Woo! That's good. That is good. Definitely not an ASMR video. This is eating, maybe mukbang or vlog video, but this shit is bomb. Let's look at that. I wish I could do this in slow motion. I'm not left-handed, but I'm doing okay for a left hand.
Yeah, meeting invites are great for sure. Yeah, it walks me off. I live and die by my calendar.
This is not bad. Who would have thought chicken and waffles is this good? Look at the quality on this camera, man. For a camera phone, S9 Plus is still awesome. Catch you guys later.